I'm Patrick, answering questions on Ask Patrick series. This question is by a person named as TTT. So the question is that I'm preparing for CAT as well as the other management entrance exam, and I'm finding difficult to balance the two. A little difference in the two, so preparation is a little different. I'm finding a little difficult to balance. How should I go about preparing? Okay, normally I would recommend you to focus on CAT. That's a normal process. I'll come to the alternate method earlier. But normally I would recommend very strongly to focus on CAT because CAT becomes the base for all exams. So I've seen people who prepare for CAT thoroughly till the CAT exam, and after the CAT exam, then they start preparing for the other exams. Like in your case, you mentioned IFT as the exam, one of the exams. IFT is 1 week after CAT. Most of the syllabus that you prepare for IFT is covered in the CAT. Okay, and same is true for the other exam like the SNAP and MAT and the CET. There is a little difference, like the logic is a little different, verbal ability is a little different, but that can be prepared normally for after the CAT to the other exams. The problem comes in NMAT because NMAT normally starts before the CAT. So if you plan to write a CAT attempt of NMAT before the CAT, then you have to prepare for that separately. So let's start by looking at NMAT first. So if you're preparing for NMAT and giving an attempt before the CAT, then the recommendation is that around 1 month before the exam, you can start preparing for NMAT a little bit, like the logic section, etc. And around 2.5 weeks before the NMAT exam itself, you can start writing a mock of NMAT. And then start focusing on NMAT for the last 2 weeks. Complete. If your NMAT is a priority, focus on NMAT for 2 weeks, prepare for NMAT, write the NMAT, and then come to CAT. That's how you do NMAT. The only problem with reason for NMAT is subject because NMAT is before the CAT. So 1 month before, start preparing a little bit of logic, maybe a little bit of verbal ability because these are two different areas. And 2 weeks before, start with the mocks rigorously. If NMAT is really important, then you can start with the mocks 3 weeks before the exam. Okay. Because mocks is what will help you to understand the flavor of the NMAT exam or any exam so that you can change your strategy accordingly for the exam because NMAT is a speed-based exam. Unlike CAT, which is a little slow thinking-based examination. The strategy will change. The type of question is a little different. But that time period is sufficient as far as preparing. Coming to other exams like the IFT, etc., as I said, most of your preparation is done as far as CAT is concerned. But yes, there is a GK part in it, which is a little different. So in that case, I would recommend you to do regular GK from start. Your preferences like IFT or the tests or the CMAT where there's a lot of GK, then you have to do a little bit of GK, maybe around half an hour of GK every day along with your CAT preparation. Because GK can make or break your preparation as far as IFT or the other exams. So half an hour of GK every day along with your CAT should help. Okay, to break your GK. Yes, there are few areas different in SNAP exam, but you have ample time after CAT to prepare for SNAP. The logic part, the visuals part, the DM part, other exams. You have ample time after CAT. And understand if your base for CAT is very good, automatically other exams get clarified. But say no, you say no, I'm not really confident about CAT, but I still want to write other exams and focus on that. I would say prepare for CAT. Maybe every day apart from the GK what you're preparing for half an hour, maybe 1 extra hour you can prepare for the other exams in terms of logic and the verbal ability. These are two parts which are a little different the other exams. So you can pick up the logic questions, you can pick up the verbal ability questions and start practicing. And that should help you to build. Right? I again give you a very clear picture. Focus is CAT and focus on CAT and write the exam for CAT and start everything afterwards except maybe GK you can start from early along with your CAT. For NMAT, 1 month before exam, start little bit preparation. 2 weeks before exam, focus on NMAT, start with the mocks and prepare. For all your other exams, if your focus is CAT, focus on CAT and then start with the other exams later. But if your focus is other exams, then along with the CAT, maybe 1 hour every day you can do other exams like the logic and the verbal section. That should help you for other areas. Right? I hope that gives you a clear plan with regards to what you need to do for the other management entrance exam. Understand this very clearly. People who normally crack the other exams are the ones who also do well in the CAT exam. Not necessarily they do really well. I mean, I've seen people who prepare for CAT creating a base that will help them for the exam. So I have had people who scored 99.98, 99 percentile in the XAT exam. Same to do with SNAP and all, and they all focus on CAT till the CAT, and then they went to the other exams. I hope that answers your query. Thank you.